What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or if you've been watching our content for a while, definitely smash that subscribe button. Otherwise, you can like, share, comment down below. It helps our content reach a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. So in today's video, we have a special review, and this is a subscriber request. So I've seen in some of the other videos, comments, some people wanting us to do no credit check types of accounts. Now, the reason why a lot of people like these no credit check types of accounts is because when we do reviews about institutions that require a little higher credit score, not everyone necessarily is going to be able to qualify. So you guys asked and I'm gonna deliver. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can get access to up to $15,000. That's right, up to $15,000 without a single hard inquiry. Now, we've covered some of these institutions previously that offer these no credit check types of loans. Now, one of the benefits of the no credit check loans is that you can get a loan without incurring a hard inquiry, and it can help you build a relationship with a financial institution. So let's say you do have a low credit score, but you're able to become a member with, let's say, a credit union that has a no credit check loan. Then you can get that loan, establish a payment history, and then that can open the door for you to get higher credit limits and better loan products down the road. So as a disclaimer, we're not telling you, advising you, or recommending that you apply to these different accounts. This video is for informational purposes only. So we're not going to dive into all the specifics in terms of eligibility, but we're just going to give you a high level overview of the institutions that offer a no credit check loan. So let's go jump over and I'll walk you through the products. All right, so first up on the list, we have the DCU Quick Loan. We've already done several video reviews already on this, but basically after the first 90 days, you could borrow up to $1,000 with no credit check. After 180 days, which is around 6 months, you could borrow up to $2,000 with no credit check. And one of the great things is that these loans do report, so they will help you build your credit. And then after you've been a member for 180 days, you can take out consecutive quick loans as long as you don't take out more than 6 within a given calendar year. So this is a very great program that they have. And one of the great things about DCU is that anyone is eligible regardless of where you might live throughout the country. Next up, we have Arlington Community Federal Credit Union. Now, they also have a quick loan that allows you to borrow up to $1,000 without a hard credit check. Now, you do have to be a member for at least 90 days. Now, here's the thing. Most of these quick loans, especially with credit unions, they're going to require that you're a member for a certain period of time. Now, 90 days is the standard, but again, each credit union has their own criteria. So this is another great one. In terms of membership eligibility, with Arlington Community Federal Credit Union, you can be eligible if you join through a nonprofit that's located in that area. That gets you in. So potentially this is wide open to anyone. You just have to figure out a nonprofit organization to volunteer, become a member with, and that'll get you into Arlington Community Federal Credit Union. But again, this is another $1,000 quick loan that you could get without a credit check. Next up on the list, we have Unify Financial Credit Union. We just did a full video review. They have a quick loan that goes up to $500. And as it says right here, no credit check, but they will require income verification. So definitely keep that in mind. Next up, we have Explore Federal Credit Union. They have a no credit check loan. Now, not everyone is going to be eligible for this particular credit union. So definitely look a little bit deeper and do your own due diligence, but they do have a no credit check loan that goes up to $2,000. So next up on the list, we have Cornerstone Credit Union. Now, they have 2 different quick loans. So quick loans are like payday alternative types of loans. One of the trade-offs is that these quick loans usually have pretty high interest rates. And again, the trade-off is that they're not pulling your credit. Now, you could borrow up to $2,000, and then they have another loan where you can get up to $1,000 with terms as long as 6 to 12 months and APR as high as 28%. So that is a little high, but again, there's absolutely no hard credit check. Next up on the list, we have Andrews Federal Credit Union. They have a cash to go quick loan. There's absolutely no credit check, as it says right here, and you could borrow between $250 to $500. Next up on the list, we have Sky Point Federal Credit Union. They have a flex loan where you could borrow up to $1,000 in terms as long as 6 months. The APR is 28%, so it's a little high. The next credit union we're going to go over is California Community Credit Union. They have an emergency loan up to $1,000. The APR is actually fixed at 10%, so it's not too bad. Now, again, everyone's not going to be eligible for this particular credit union, so definitely do your own due diligence. Next up, we have DN Community Federal Credit Union. Now, they have a host of different credit products, but right here, as you can see, they have a no credit check loan. The no credit check loan goes up to $1,000 with terms as long as 12 months, and they have a 15% APR. Up next, we have Miami Federal Credit Union. So Miami Federal Credit Union has a no credit check loan where you could borrow up to $2,000. You must be a member for at least 90 days, and there is a $20 application fee. Now, again, this one may have a little bit more restrictive eligibility criteria, but you could definitely check that out. Next up on the list, we have St. Joseph's Federal Credit Union. They have a no credit check loan up to $1,200 with a fixed rate of 16% APR. Absolutely no credit check, terms as long as 12 months. Now, they do have some additional criteria for you to qualify. You will need an active checking account, so you could definitely check out the other criteria. Next up on the list, we have Health Advantage Credit Union. They have a payday loan alternative where you can borrow up to $500. And again, as you can see right here, absolutely no credit check, a low 15.9% interest rate, as well as a $20 application fee. Next up, we have Pinnacle Credit Union. So Pinnacle Credit Union has another quick cash, no credit check loan up to $1,200 with terms as long as 12 months. They do have an email and contact information right here if you have any questions. But basically, you have to be a member for at least 90 days. You have to be at least 18 years of age, and a minimum of $250 per month direct deposit must be established and verified. You can only have one quick loan per member at any given time and an APR of 18%. Next up, we have Blue Eagle Credit Union. So Blue Eagle Credit Union also has a short-term loan where you could borrow up to $500. There's absolutely no credit check. There is a 1 month to repay the loan, so it's not like you could stretch it out that far. This is just like a lump sum repayment and affordable rate of 18%. They do have some other qualifying criteria. You must be a member for at least 2 months and in good standing with at least a direct deposit of $700 per month. So last on our list, we have Gulf Credit Union. Now, they have another quick loan where you can get up to $1,000 with no credit check. So you could definitely check this one out as well. All right, so let's do a quick recap real quick. So we have DCU, which you can get $2,000 from. You got Andrews Federal Credit Union, $500. You have Unify Financial Credit Union, $500. You have California Community Credit Union, $1,000. Cornerstone Federal Credit Union, $2,000. SkyPoint Federal Credit Union, $1,000. DNC Federal Credit Union, you have $1,000. Miami Federal Credit Union, you have $2,000. St. Joseph's Federal Credit Union, you have $1,200. Health Advantage Credit Union, $500. Pinnacle Credit Union, $1,200. Blue Eagle Credit Union, $500, and then Gulf Credit Union, $1,000. So add that all up, that's about $15,000 with absolutely no credit check. Now, again, not everyone's going to be eligible for every single credit union. Definitely do your own due diligence. And again, this video is for informational purposes only. We've included all the links to the different credit union no credit check loans. Anyways, that's all I wanted to talk about in today's video. Until next time, y'all take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.